anyway, I'm confident in this position so much that I can say that if it fails, I will wear pink by the end of this battle.
Hello traders, another trading day. Actually, yesterday I took a day off, so this will be my first day in the second phase of the True Forex Funds challenge. But we have to be quiet because the Crilex Trading CEO is sleeping right now. So I will show you now my opened trade. Hello Divergence, how are you? We woke her up. Let me turn the camera and let me show you my current trade. Alright, so this is my trade. It is opened on USD CAD, and as you can see it is in a bit of a drawdown. This is my first trade again on the second phase of the True Forex Funds verification. This is my new account. And this is the trade, and I will keep you updated, and later on also I'm going to explain you why I have opened this trade. Hello traders, so my trade on USD CAD is still opened, and in 1 minute it will be an announcement. I think it's CPI or PPI day, and let's see how my trade is will go on. For the moment I am in drawdown, and I know that I am telling you every time to not let your positions open during the news, but here I am with this trade opened, and yeah, we have a few more seconds and we will know the value of the PPI.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose, and in my mind all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger.
Okay guys, so we are now in this trade on gold. Again, this is a trade that fits my criteria, but the stop loss is a bit bigger and I don't like it, mostly because it's after a big announcement, so markets tend to be quite volatile. Again, as you can see, we have this wick here and this impulsive candle, so yeah, basically I think that's the top. So I have a fib and a 50 EMA working with me. I don't have the market volatility working with me, so I have no idea what to say about this trade. Again, it fits my criteria, but it's not really the right thing. So as you can see right now, we are break even, so a bit of delay between the Wanda provider and the 8 cap, but that shouldn't be an issue for you guys, because if the stop loss is hit, it will be hit. If it goes up, it will go up. So yeah, don't know anything else. As you can see, we have a slight double top, but as you can see, market still tends to pump to the upside. Stochastic RSI is in our favor right here because it's nearly max to the downside, and again, dollar looks quite weak. Okay, so still in the position. I opened the second position at that confluence at the 764 and the 50 EMA, risking quite a lot here. Didn't do the math, not sure if the funded account will hold, but anyway, I'm confident in this position so much that I can say that if it fails, I will wear pink by the end of this battle. Yeah, so just to make this clear, I didn't have this thing. I went out to buy it. That's why you're seeing this in replay, because I searched my wardrobe and didn't find any pink things. So yeah, 2 are down the drain. My funded account is quite damaged. Very damaged. And but anyway, let's turn this into a positive spin. So I still have a winning trade today that I didn't show you, but I didn't film it as it were developing, so I have to wear this. So back to winning trades, guys. So As you can see, this trade was again opened before I left for work, but the criteria are quite simple. As you can see, downtrend. As you can see in the notes, the first log was late entry, mostly because I should have entered on this candle. Stop loss would have been way smaller and the R would have been way greater. But anyway, as you can see, I stopped it manually, mostly because of this candle. But first of all, let's read what I wrote here, because again, this happened in the morning. Now we're filming in the afternoon. So market looked range bound, should have banked at the bottom of the range. So yeah, late exit, late entry. Awesome day for trading. I am absolutely crushing it today. So -2R there. I'm wearing this, late entry, late exit. Everything happens as it should be. Closed after a full stochastic RSI cycle, as you can see here. And when this full green thing showed up, maybe I should have waited a bit more, maybe another cycle, but I'm still working on that, still working on shifting time frames. So this weekend will be a jam-packed weekend for me, because I have to switch something on the way that I'm trading, because Cris at the moment is crushing me. So yeah, this is my trade. So 0.66 gain, but -2 there. So for the day I am -1.34R, which is bad. So yeah, keep you posted with updates.
Morning, guys. So yeah, even after terrible trading days, the sun still gets up, so life goes on. Final day, it's Friday. Quick session of work until 4 p.m. I think, and hopefully today the market will be a bit kinder to me and I will be a bit less stupid. So yeah, see you at 4.
Hello traders, nice to see you again. Actually, yesterday I decided to stop filming and start to do more backtesting, and this is why I'm coming today with some updates regarding my yesterday trades and my day's trades as well. So first of all, let's talk about our star, the USD CAD trade. And actually this is the trade that you saw previously that was left during the PPI announcement. So yeah, I am a pretty inspired trader. So why did I open this trade? Again, this trade was from the beginning a mistake. And this is because as you can see right here, I didn't have any divergence, and if I wanted to see a reversal here, I would have to wait at least a retest somewhere around this level. Fortunately, after some candles of my trade opening, some really nice confluences happened, so I would actually also open this trade after a few candles after this tree line strike around here. Right here it would be the correct entry, because first of all we've got here a reversal divergence formed between the lows. Okay, let me show it to you. All right, after that we've got again this nice level formed somewhere around this level, and we've got also a really nice push somewhere around here with on this candle. All right, but what I didn't take into consideration when I left this trade opened was the fact that, first of all, as you can see here, it was formed an ascending channel, which was telling me that the price will try to continue to the downside after the formation of this channel. And more than that, I was caught into a huge volatility period, because I think this candle here or this was during the announcement time. So yeah, this is our star trade. And after that, I opened these two beautiful trades on Euro US dollar. I closed them both on only +1%, but you will understand why I did that.
First of all, a textbook trade that I really loved was this one on euro US dollar, because first of all, as you can see, euro US dollar retested this really nice level, and let me show you. This level was an important one from a previous time, so I was pretty sure that we will have some really nice liquidity here. After that, we've got here another confluence, a really nice confluence, and this is this really beautiful reversal divergence formed around this level. And more than that, a third confirmation for me that I have to open a sell around this level was this nice bearish candle formed here. It's not a three line strike candle as I prefer to be, but it was enough for me to open this trade because it is impulsive enough. Why I didn't open the trade somewhere around here on this three line strike level is the fact that I didn't like the fact that the candles actually didn't touch this zone. I wanted to see first of all a retest or reaction of the price somewhere around this level in order to be sure if I want to open a short position. This position was actually closed this morning somewhere around this level right here. Because first of all, I already had another trade opened, and more than that, as you can see, the price was already somewhere around the 200 EMA, and also somewhere around this level formed here. And I was pretty scared, and I thought that the price will reverse from here, and I decided to close it at plus 1%. More than that, I had a huge stop loss somewhere around here, but I really love this trade and I really love this kind of setups. And after that, after we've got a reversal here, you will see the second type of trades I am actually looking for. So here we've got actually a continuation divergence, a continuation trade, I'm sorry. And I opened this trade on the closing of this candle. So the first confluence here was the three line strike candle. The second confluence was the fact that we've got here this time a continuation divergence. If you have a problem with identifying the type of divergences, if they are continuation or reversals, please check on our channel because I made 2 clips about divergences. It is named, I think, Divergences Masterclass, and there you will see the continuation and the reversal divergences. Alright, and the third confluence on this trade here was the fact that the price was strongly rejected from the EMAs. So I decided to open this trade, and it was actually going, it was actually running in almost 3-to-1 for some time, but I decided to move my stop loss somewhere around here where it was the 1-to-1 level for me, and was pretty sure that the price will retest this zone right here, and this trade would be enough for me to pass the True Forex Fund's second phase of the verification. But no problem, I banked 1% for this trade, and now I have 3 more percent to make in order to pass the second phase and to be funded finally by the True Forex Funds. And as you can see here you will find my trades. Everything is in 1%. I actually don't like this kind of winnings because yeah, a 1-to-1 is not a really good result, but yeah, this is it. So this is the first trade on USD CAD. After that, the 2 trades on Euro US dollar, and now I will continue my my road to get funded, so fingers crossed, and I will keep you updated.
So updates, I didn't take any trade today, mostly because I have to work on my discipline stuff. So weekend is coming, lots of backtesting. I have to add a refinement to my strategy during this weekend because otherwise I will be crushed during this challenge. I don't know if Cris traded today, but she will update you soon, so that's a thing. And yeah, the first week of the challenge is over, at least for me, and I have to say that it's exactly as I expected. Mostly, actually it's easier than I expected, because I foresaw Tuesday being my death day, but actually the death day came on Thursday, so big up to me. I'm starting to like this t-shirt, this shirt. I like these cuffs here. And yeah, that's all for me. Happy weekend, guys.
So the first week of the challenge is over, and let's see the stats. As you can see, both traders have the same stats. Is something wrong with Alex? He lost a decimal point. Is there something wrong with the graphics? No, there's nothing wrong with the graphics. So both traders took 7 trades, they won 4, lost 3, so that accounts to a win rate of 57%. Alex has an overall R of 0.4 and Cris has an overall R of 4. So crushing win for Cris this week. Still 3 weeks left of the battle, so let's look forward for next week. See you then. Stay posted.